Hello, my name is Kyle. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a report that includes direct or deep links to objects in the report. I'll use items for this demonstration, and so I'll start by navigating to the product development work area. Next, I'll open the Business Intelligence catalog and create an analysis. To create the report about items, I will select the Items Revision Real-Time subject area. In order for this report to work, I need to add the item name, item ID, and organization ID. Other columns of data are optional. The item ID cannot have a decimal, and so I need to change the column properties accordingly. The same is true for the organization ID, and so I'll change it also. Now I'll configure the name column to be a URL that opens the selected object in another tab. Here on the Interaction tab, I'll change the primary interaction to Action Links and create the link format. The action will open a web page and pass dynamic values that will load the object selected. Here's the template of the dynamic URL. Notice that the object type is items, the action is edit, the object key is the item ID, and the org ID is the organization ID. With the URL in place, I will now define the parameters. The value for the object key is dynamic and must retrieve the object ID from the report data. That is why I'll select item ID and organization ID. The rows should be set to fixed and hidden so that the URLs work automatically and do not invoke pop-up screens asking for user input. The final thing I need to do here is add back in the reference to item ID that was stripped out of the URL by the form when I clicked Define Parameters, and include the parameter references to the item ID and the org ID. I want it to open in a new window. And I want it to open directly if there's only one resulting object in the report. Make sure to save the report. And now we'll test it. When I click a link, notice that it opens that object in a new window. Thank you for watching.